guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this arc shaped mask on CapCut PC. So add in the video that you want and go to library and add in a colored background. You can choose any color that you want. Can't say that properly apparently. Go to mask, and we are going to add on this rectangle first. We're also going to reverse it, and we're going to create this kind of shape. You don't want it to be too long. You're just going to put it down here. I think that's good enough. Then just right click on the black background and then select create compound clip. Then you're going to add in a circle mask to that. Again, you want to reverse it, and you're just going to adjust the circle to the arc to this rectangle, as you can see here. And here you have this arced shape mask on CapCut. That is it. Basically super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!